It's all gone.
Dude, I just noticed something. The seat. Somebody burned it.
Huh?
Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are back to work on the 2021 Cadillac CT5 that we are rebuilding for my dad. And in today's video, we should be handing him over the keys at the end of today's video, because this car is nearly almost done. We are going to be taking it to the dealership. Hopefully they don't have it for too long and we can get it back quickly. But we are going to be towing this car there because it is stuck in a limp mode. So let's just go ahead, pick up the trailer, take this thing to the dealership, and then hopefully in a few days we can pick it up. So let's just go ahead and get that trailer. Alright guys, so we made it here to the dealership. We unloaded the car. They had a lot of snacks inside, which is very nice. Yeah, I love dealerships when they give snacks out. That's just them taking care of you and it's super nice. But the car is here now and they took it in and they're going to take care of it, and they should have an answer of what's going to happen with it in like a day or two. They'll let me know about all that, but so far so good. One thing I forgot to mention to you guys is that they really like the car. On our way here, we were just breaking necks. So many people were looking. It was pretty crazy. And then when we got here, he told me, he complimented the car. He was saying it's pretty clean. He was asking if I had just gotten it, because the car looks amazing, guys. It came out really great. All that's left now is it's up to these guys to fix the rest of the stuff that's wrong with it. And then guys, we can hand the keys to my dad. I'm super excited, but I'll see you all in the next clip. All right guys, so it is about 2 weeks later and we spotted the Cadillac right over there. It's super sick. They just parked it right there, but it is ready and it is fixed, guys. Oh, I'm super happy seeing this car. It's finally fixed up and we can give it to my dad, guys. This is super exciting. But let's go inside, pay for this thing, and then we'll talk about what was wrong with it. So let's just go ahead, pay for it, and then we'll take it home. Guys, here it is. It looks so cool. Levi, thanks for everything, man.
Absolutely. Take
How's
care,
it
guys.
going?
I will work today.
Got the car, guys. That's the craziest roadside assistance car I've seen, but they washed it, they detailed it and everything. They parked it right out front, guys. I've never had any type of experience at a dealership here, so it's amazing how they treated us. And we got the car after almost $1,500 later, but it's fixed and ready to go and all the lights are off. Look at this thing, guys. So I'll just go open. That looks crazy. Wow. Sick. You ready?
Yeah, let's see these. Let's see this dash, man.
Let's go. Let's see the dash.
Dude, it's all gone.
That is sick, dude.
Oh my god.
Look at that. Oh, it's really nice in here now. Look,
It was when we got this car, the whole frame rail had to be replaced. the whole turbo had to be replaced. Look at engine boost.
dude, that's so sick, guys. This car's finally out of limp mode. We can actually drive it now.
All right, I'll be cruising right behind you.
All right.
I can't even stop laughing. This is so sick. Oh my god, there's no other feeling like it, man. Being able to give your dad a car like this.
It drives great. Dude, I just noticed something. The seat. Somebody burned it.
Huh? Ooh. Oh no.
Alright guys, so I just noticed a pretty big burn on the car seat, and it honestly took me by surprise, but I went ahead and I showed the guy that helped me on this car, and they have a condition report and everything. The burn was not there before, so he says that I can still take the car home, and if they can fix it or they're gonna replace it or something, they'll let me know and they'll just, you know, give us a new seat skin. But for now, he says we can just take it home and he'll let me know by the end of the day. So we're still gonna take this thing home, guys. So let's just go ahead and continue to drive. Alright guys, I'm driving the Cadillac right now. This thing is so smooth. I can say it's as smooth as a Cadillac because it is. This thing right now, guys, we're at 47 miles an hour. Limp mode is gone. We used to be limited to 43. And there's the Cadillac dealership right now. We're passing it, guys. Got the sunroof, dual panes open, guys. This car is amazing, guys, and honestly, it's the smoothest car I've been in. I can't feel any bumps on the road right now. This car is like the comfort suspension, everything. This car is loaded with a lot of options, and it picks up quite quickly as well. Just check this out, guys. The brakes, everything works so great. I don't have to pump up the brakes anymore. All the lights are off, guys. This is super sick. We're gonna get on the highway right here, guys. This car's first time driving on the highway. Oh my gosh, this thing is so smooth, guys. It's like a Cadillac. It floats like a Cadillac, and when it was broken, it stinged like a Beamer. If you guys remember that Beamer we rebuilt, that one was stinging like crazy, had so many problems. It is so smooth, guys. This car just gets up and goes, guys. And look at this engine boost thing. We're going so fast already. This is crazy, guys. All right, guys, so my dad is about to come home in like 20 minutes. So we gotta get this car ready. So right here I have a blue velvet bow. I haven't seen this yet, so I'm gonna pop it open and we're gonna see this bow. Alright, let's just get a little closer look right here. Look at that. How are you supposed to do these? Oh, keep the paper inside of it?
No, take it out. It's just to keep the shape.
Oh, there we are. Put it right here. Dude, look at that. We'll put the little bow thing switching off the edge. That looks sick. How do you think he's gonna react? Alright guys, my dad is finally home. Now he can see his new car.
Who did this?
I did that.
Yeah.
Look at your car, man.
Yeah. You deserve it.
Nice. Wow. He's gonna sit in it. Start it up, Va.
Wow.
Look at that face. Look at that clean dashboard.
You remember all the rivets, Bo? We had to drill out each and every single rivet.
Remember? This was all smashed in, destroyed. But from a Kia to a Cadillac, huh?
Yeah, big deal, huh? Feel like a boss.
No turn
Only
signal.
of Cadillac you gonna have
Well, Bob, how do you feel?
Feel pretty good.
You like it?
Yeah. Very nice. Very good. Thank you.
You're welcome. Alright guys, so it is a few days later now, and my dad has been driving this car around, and he absolutely loves this thing. But guys, before we wrap up today's video, I want to go ahead and touch on a few things, explaining what it was that they fixed at the dealership on this car, because it was a little bit different than what we thought was originally wrong with the car, and then the burnt seat that we had to deal with. So guys, the first thing I want to say is we thought that this car had a bad ABS module and a bad airbag module. The thing is, this car actually, all it needed was just the airbag module replaced, and then all the codes went away. So that's all it needed, but that did come at a price of $1,500, which is absolutely insane. But if you guys come over here onto the interior, you guys can see that there is no longer a burn on the seat. The dealership went ahead and they replaced that seat skin, just the seat bottom right here. So it's a fully brand new seat bottom right there, guys. And basically we got to break that in again, so that's pretty cool. But they went ahead and they took care of that, so that's pretty amazing right there, guys. All right, guys, so that is everything on the stuff that they fixed on the car. It's pretty much all they did, and then the seat skin is replaced as well, guys. Sorry about the wind noise right now. It's a bit windy because it's about to start raining right now, but we had to get this outro done so we can get this video out for you guys. I'm super happy that we went ahead and we got this Cadillac done, and we were able to give it to my dad, guys. He absolutely loves this thing, and I'm super happy that we were able to do this for him. And thank you guys so much for keeping along and watching the entire series on this car. If you guys remember, this car was completely destroyed on that passenger side over there, but we finally got this thing repaired, and it's looking great, guys. So now that the Cadillac build is complete and the Explorer build is complete, now we can finally move on to the Mustang Mach-1 rebuild, guys. I'm super excited for that, as well as a new epic build.